In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Dragon Pass in 2024. So whether you receive it through your bank, credit card, or a membership program, I'll guide you step by step. So listen carefully, I explain each step. So first, make sure you check your eligibility. So Dragon Pass is often provided through credit cards like Amex, Visa, MasterCard, airlines, or premium membership. So if you got it via your bank or card provider, check their email app or website for activation details. And then you may receive a membership number or activation link. Now, open the App Store if you are using iOS or Google Play Store if you are using a Android, and then search for Dragon Pass and download the official app. So this is the official app. So once installed, open the app and then click sign up or activate membership. And then assumingly we already downloaded it, and then you should see there a membership number where you need to enter it along with your personal details. So if you're activating through a bank, you can log in using your registered email or phone number and then create a secure password and agree to the terms and then click activate or register. So to verify and access your you may receive a verification email or SMS with a code and then enter the code to complete the activation. So once verified, log into the app and check your available launch access, discounts, and other perks. And that's it. That's how you activate your Dragon Fast in 2024. Now you can enjoy airport launch access and other premium perks. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.